Breaking news, guys. So Trump is sweeping. The Revelation Day tariffs were illegal, says the court. On February 20th, 2026, the Supreme Court rules 6-3 that President Donald Trump's sweeping Revelation Day tariffs were illegal, finding that he exceeded his authorities under International Emergency Economic Power Act, IEEPA. Yes, and these are the important key factors to note in this ruling. Let's go. Number one, the violation. The court found that while the International Emergency Economic Powers Act allows a president to regulate commerce during national emergencies, e.g., through embargoes or assets seizures, it does not explicitly grant the power to impose taxes or tariffs. That is key number one. And key number two, constitutional basis. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, emphasizes that the power to tax and impose duties belongs exclusively to Congress under Article 1, Section 8 of the U.S. Constitution. So, Mr. Roberts says that the power belongs to the Congress. The full power. So, point number three to note in this ruling: major question major questions doctrine. The conservation majority applied this doctrine, which requires clear congressional authorization for exclusive or executive actions with vast economic and political significances, and that is the major question doctrine. And point number four, and the last point, the vote. Trump appointed Justice Neil Gorsuch and Amy Coney Barrett joined Roberts and the three liberal justices in the majority. Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito and Barrett Kavanaugh dissented. So Trump immediately responds, and Plan B coming soon. Hours after the ruling, President Trump rushed out at the court, calling the justices who ruled against him disloyal. So, as you know, Trump is always fire. You throw fire at Trump, and Trump will throw fire back at you. So he said this was disloyal to rule in such a manner, and that's what he said to the judicial system, that the ruling was really unfair for him. And disloyal and swayed by foreign interests. He immediately pivoted and alternative legal authorities. So Trump didn't allow this. So that's why he came out and said this ruling was really disloyal. Section 122, global tariff. Trump announced a new 10% global tariff under Section 122 of the Trade Act of 1974. You can go and read about that Trade Act of 1974. This allows immediate tariff, but it's limited to 150 days without congressional approval. So you can go and read about the Trade Act of 1974. I think you can get more details about that. So, and existing tariffs. Tariffs previously imposed under Section 232 32, national security, e.g., steel, aluminium, and Section 301, unfair trade practices remain in effect as they were not part of this specific challenge. So, if you are under these tariffs, I've mentioned in section 232 and section 301, so you are maybe in a safer place. Maybe impact of business and refunds. The ruling has triggered a massive debate over refunds for the estimated 130 billion US dollars to 175 billion US dollars already collected under the illegal IEEPA declaration. Legal battles. So here is where it went bird last year. So and this has created a debate. The tariff thing, or the tariff thing that the court ruled against Trump has created a debate around the USA. So this is where it gets tough. Listen. Legal battles. While many businesses and democratic governors like JB Pritiska of Illinois are demanding immediate refund, Trump suggested the issue could be litigated for years. So they are demanding immediate refund after the court's ruling, but President Trump suggested the issue could be litigated for years. That's where it got interesting. And and the last point, uncertainty. Experts warn that although the IEEPA tariffs are void, the administration's pivot to other laws means overall tariff costs for businesses may not significantly drop in the short term. So you have to know that that even if many debates are there, and even if the court is ruling in favor of the businesses, I don't know, but I think the tariffs in the nearby future, they're not going to go down. They're just going to increase slowly by slowly. So I don't know. We are going to just keep watching. We are going to just watch the space about what's really going to happen in the nearby future. But we pray for you, the businessmen, to be strong, and we thank you for being the key factors for being the backbone in the production and in the money transfer side of the country's backbone. So it's me, your host, Tisa Platinum, and I'm proud to be hosting for you. Yeah, and we are going to be keeping you informed or updated about the breaking news anywhere in the world. So stay tuned. Don't touch your dial.